going to open this cat that I actually opened in this bag. And then, but we had collect this two. This is Bella, and this is the cheese. Now, let's open this. Ta-da! Now, let's see who we collect. Who is this? We actually got Max! Okay. We got Max. Here is everybody. This is... I told you this is Max. Here is Max, guys. Here is... here is Max. Here is Bella. That's just in the second class. And here is that says. We now got 3. For some reason, Max looks like a cat. Yeah. This is the first one I collected. The second I collected. And the last I collected. I'm definitely not going to get Roxy or Oliver. I will not get Roxy or Oliver. With Ray is disgusting to me.